Okay guys, sorry about that. This is part 2. I love the craft aisle. This is what they were talking about, these particular pens. They're chalk writers. They are awesome to create and write for your labels or whatever craft projects you're working on. We're going to go today and I'm going to grab a few different paints and we're going to be making another project and I'll share with you that shortly. See what else we can buy. One thing I have to say is that they really have a great selection of different spices for $1. You know, anything extra you may have missed for the going out for your picnics or this coming summer. I think they did a terrific job there. And also, if I take a look real quick to the right here, you even have, believe it or not, hamburger, hot dog buns if you're missing. And there's a lot of different to-go containers. This is great. And all their, and I'm just going to go take a quick look at all their dishes and glassware. There's got to be something in here I can buy. Imagine that. It's only $1. All right, guys. We'll be back in just a minute and we'll end this video. Thank you.